Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact CoinGecko customer care support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the CoinGecko application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us. In the bottom side of the screen, we have the market, we have the portfolio, we have the search, explore, and the more options where you can see everything about your own profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the CoinGecko customer care support. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, what you need to do is out of all of these 5 options down there in the tab, you need to click in the bottom right corner, click on the 3 dots, click on more. Here you'll have a bunch of options. You'll have your account options, the app settings, we have the tools. Enjoy using CoinGecko, you can follow them on their socials. We have of course the other where you have some things, but of course the thing where we need to go is of course the enjoy using CoinGecko and click on contact us. When you click on contact us, there you have the support. So you have 3 options. You have email, where you have their email, which is hello+product@coingecko.com. Their phone number, which is +1 949 313 88878, or the frequently asked questions on the coingecko.com/FAQ. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.